Let's go back to Oliver Sloup here and talk about this for a little bit. Meandering markets apparently here on livestock. What's it going to take to really get him to commit to one direction or the other?
Well, the live cattle market had a pretty darn good week last week. We got out above some big technical levels, the top end of the recent range for that August contract, 133.5, 134. That was resistance. That's going to be pretty big support for this week's trade. So we need to defend 134, but more importantly, if we need to get out above the 200-day moving average at 135, if we can do that, I think you could start to encourage some momentum traders to step into the market. On the grain side, we talked about the commitment of traders, and that's something we keep a close eye on in the livestock market as well. And the managed money or the funds are only net long about 12,000 contracts. That's an extremely moderate position for them. Very rarely do they get to zero, and very rarely do they go into a net short position in live cattle, but we're getting pretty darn close down there. So if we can get a bullish catalyst as far as the cash goes, I think that the funds could start to pile back in. The cash market has been a bit of a stick in the mud recently, 137, 138 plus or minus on a weekly basis, but if we can start to get that to firm, I wouldn't be surprised to see live cattle get that technical breakout and get us moving north back towards that 140 level.
All right. Well, Oliver, thank you for the comments today. Always good to hear from you. Thank you. I appreciate that. You have a good trading week out there. Oliver Sloup of Blue Line Futures. He's located in Chicago. Janet, with that, I'll turn it over to you.